So we are from KASIA, that is Karnataka Small Scale Industries Association. It is an association started for the welfare of the industries, to make their running of the industry easier, and whatever the problems they face, to interact with the state and central government, to make their problems redressed. That is the main intention of it. To also to develop small scale industries in the state of Karnataka. That was the main intention. It was started during 1949 by one Mr. Arathee. Now we are completed 75 years of our journey in these activities. And in this week, Saturday, we are having a Platinum Jubilee celebration to be inaugurated by our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Sidramaya, and also Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, along with our Small Scale Industries Darshanapur, and along with top office industrial officers are also being participating in this program. And it is being held in Jnanajyoti Auditorium in the Central College, and it's Saturday, 17th of this month, by 5 p.m. in the evening.